Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back. So today I went for a more glittery look. So I went to Dress Your Face masterclass on Sunday, which was amazing. It was an amazing experience, one that I'll never forget. Tamala is so kind. She just like has a warm spirit about her. I learned so much on Sunday. I met some great people, and then the goodie bags were just awesome. The place, the decor, the food, everything was just awesome. So I created this look using a lot of the products that I got in the goodie bag. One of which is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one right here. And the glitter on my lid is from Storm Cosmetics. And it is this gorgeous glitter right here. It's like to me, it's a loose glitter. Versus a foiled eyeshadow, because there's it's very delicate and there's a lot of fallout. So the way that I applied it is with the Lit Cosmetics liquid base first, and then I put the glitter on top. It's a gorgeous glitter, and I would use it as a loose glitter versus an eyeshadow because it's very, very, very delicate, and I believe it's hand pressed. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Some of my clips got cut out, so I apologize. I believe it's after I apply the foundation, so you don't get to see the concealer, the highlight, the blush, but you've seen that before. But anyway, so if you want to see how to create this look, then keep on watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. What is that, like jazz hands? Like, what is that? First, we're gonna start off with the brows, but and I'm going to use, where did it go? Where did the box go? Oh man, I threw the box already in the bag. But and the goodie bag, this Anastasia, I took everything out, but what came in here is the brow gel, the stencils, as you see, this angle brush, which I've been hearing so much about, so I can't wait to try that out. And it's super like sharp, like it's super thin, like it could cut you. So excited about it. The brow powder duo. I think I might use that to fill in, but I'm still going to use my dip brow pomade to outline. And the tweezers came in within it, and I feel like I'm forgetting something. If I think of it, I'll let you know. My benefit, stay, don't stray. And then I'm going to use this Morphe big tapered brush to set that primer that I put on my eyelids. And for today, we are going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This came as one of the goodies. When I seen this was going to be in the goodie bag, I was like, really? So we use this palette in the master class. So that's why Sultry and Rose Pink, you see, has been dug into. So to set it, I'm gonna use Tempera. I'm gonna use something in orange soda. I'm gonna combine the two. I think I'm gonna go in Sienna as my transition color. I think I'm feeling bold. Sienna is, where is it? That color right there. It's much darker than it appears on camera. So I'm gonna put that in my crease as my transition shade. I think next I'm going to go in with is Mulberry, which is that beautiful wine color that I always gravitate towards. I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply Cypress Umber, which is that brown color, that deep rich brown, and I'm going to put that in my outer crease, then blend that up into just the outer V of my crease, and that's it. I'm not going to blend it in, just the outer V. Too much of my brush. So I'm going to pack. And then I'm going to blend right up in here. Some concealer, and I'm going to cut out my lid, and then I'm going to go in with burnt orange as my lid color, my base, and then I'm going to go on top of that with a glitter. My MAC 214 brush. We're gonna go in with Dusty Rose. Yeah, I like Dusty Rose. So I'm gonna use this brush to apply my Lit Cosmetics glitter base, and then put that on top of it so it sticks. I use this, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I use this to apply the liquid base, and then I use this to pick the glitter up and put it on my, 'cause my fingers, I couldn't get into the tight areas, and then I wanted it to be neat and cut. So